Invoice number V7499. Today is September 19th, 2022. We are video inspecting a 7x11 flue with a 4-inch hot water appliance venting into it. Height will be given at the end of this video inspection. There is currently no cap installed. Proceeding down with scan now. Some deterioration present in this flue. Stagger tile. Open mortar joint, missing cement. Open mortar joint on the left side, along with the right side as well. So you have another open mortar joint also. Just make a slight offset. A little bit of mortar in the right hand corner. Cement protruding into flue. More cement protruding into flue. Daylight is still present. We lose daylight entirely now. You have a pretty large gap here. Looks like we do change sizes. We are now exiting. We went through the ash dump for this video inspection. We do have multiple defects observed within this flue. The flue just changed directions as well. We are approximately 40 feet tall in height, and that concludes the video inspection. Multiple defects have been observed. Multiple gaps are present within flue. We do have a change in direction. That concludes the video inspection for today.